Hey everyone! Welcome back to X Tech Countdown, where we bring you the best tech and gadget reviews to keep you up to date. Today, we're diving into the top 25 car gadgets that will not only enhance your driving experience but also keep you safe and comfortable on the road. And guess what? We've got all the gadgets linked in the description below. And yes, some of these are paid links, which help support the channel at no extra cost to you. So, thank you for using them. But before we jump into the countdown, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Trust me, you don't want to miss the number 1 gadget on this list. Number 25, VG by HUD Head Display. The VG by HUD Head Display is all about keeping your eyes on the road by projecting vital driving information right onto your windshield. It shows everything from speed and engine RPM to battery voltage, and even has a fatigue indicator to remind you to take breaks on long drives. Safety first, right? It's available on Amazon for $47.15, and with a 3.4 out of 5 star rating, it's a solid start to our list. Number 24, Hodor Car Trash Can. Coming in at number 24, the Hodor Car Trash Can is the perfect solution for keeping your car clean and odor-free. It's compact, waterproof, and even comes with 30 disposable bags. Priced at just $12.99 and boasting a 4.6 star rating on Amazon, this little gadget makes a big difference in keeping your car tidy. Number 23, Puli Diki Car Cleaning Gel. At number 23, we have the Puli Diki Car Cleaning Gel. This unique gel is designed to reach those hard-to-clean spots in your car like air vents, cup holders, and the dashboard. Made from natural materials, it's reusable and super affordable at $6.99. With over 4 stars on Amazon, it's a best-seller for a reason. Number 22, Sunglass Holder. At number 22, we have the Sunglass Holder. Say goodbye to fumbling around for your sunglasses while driving. This handy gadget keeps your shades, cards, tickets, and cash within easy reach. It has a solid magnetic closure to keep everything secure and is made of high-quality leather to ensure it won't scratch or damage your sunglasses. A simple, stylish solution at just $6.65 with a 4.6 star rating on Amazon. Number 21, Leather Tissue Holder. Number 21 is the Leather Tissue Holder, a sleek and practical accessory that keeps tissues easily accessible and your car looking neat and organized. Made of genuine leather and flannelette cloth, it's easy to clean and refill. It's a great addition for anyone who wants a more organized and tidy car interior. Priced at $9.99 and rated 4.5 stars, it's both stylish and functional. Number 20, Trione Car Headrest Tablet Holder. Coming in at number 20 is the Trione Car Headrest Tablet Holder, perfect for keeping kids entertained on long drives. Its 360-degree rotation and extendable arm make it easy to adjust for optimal viewing. Compatible with devices from 4.7 inches to 12.9 inches, it's super versatile. It's available for $17.89 and has a 4.5 star rating on Amazon. Perfect for keeping the whole family happy on road trips. Number 19, Shinerk Baby Car Mirror. At number 19, the Shinerk Baby Car Mirror gives parents peace of mind by allowing them to keep an eye on their little ones without turning around. With a 360-degree swivel and easy installation on adjustable headrests, it's no wonder it's the number 1 best-seller in rear-facing car seat mirrors. It's crash-tested and safety certified, and right now, it's available for just $20.59 with a 4.7 star rating. Number 18, Sinson Car Safety Hammer Flashlight. Number 18 is the Sinson Car Safety Hammer Flashlight, a must-have for any emergency. With its window breaker, seatbelt cutter, and multifunctional flashlight, it's a handy tool that can be a lifesaver in critical situations. Plus, it doubles as a solar-powered power bank and can attach magnetically to your car as a warning light. It's priced at $24.99 and boasts a solid 4.7 star rating on Amazon. Number 17, Magnetic Car Door Protector. Number 17 is the Magnetic Car Door Protector. If you hate those annoying dings and dents from parking too close to other cars, this gadget is for you. Easy to attach and remove, these flexible, impact-resistant panels will protect your car from minor damage. It's a bit of an investment at $179.00, but it's cheaper than a trip to the body shop. Rated 3.8 stars on Amazon. Number 16. Noco Boost Plus. At number 16, we have the Noco Boost Plus, a powerful jump starter and portable power bank that's compact enough to fit in your glove box. With 1000 amps, it can jumpstart up to a 6-liter gasoline engine or a 3-liter diesel engine and do it up to 20 times on a single charge. It also features a built-in LED flashlight and USB ports to charge your devices. Priced at $99.95 and with a 4.7-star rating, this is an essential gadget for any car owner. Number 15. ThisWorks Car Vacuum Cleaner. Number 15 is the ThisWorks Car Vacuum Cleaner, a compact, powerful vacuum that can tackle dirt, dust, and debris in all those hard-to-reach places in your car. It comes with a 16-foot cord, multiple attachments, and a carrying bag, making it perfect for on-the-go use. With a 4.0 star rating and priced at $37.99, it's a great addition to any car cleaning kit. Number 14. Luxonic Pixel Display Screen. Coming in at number 14, the Luxonic Pixel Display Screen lets you add a bit of personality to your car with customizable animations and messages. Controlled via a smartphone app and equipped with a suction cup mount, it's easy to set up and use. You can grab one for $49.99, and while it has a 3.4 star rating, it's a fun gadget for those who like to stand out on the road. Number 13. Joyroom Wireless Car Charger. At number 13, we have the Joyroom Wireless Car Charger. It combines a wireless phone charger and a phone mount for safe, hands-free driving. With an auto-clamping mechanism and a 360-degree rotatable head, it never blocks your view and keeps your device secure. It's available for $29.99 and has a solid 4.3 star rating, making it a practical and affordable choice for anyone on the road. Number 12. Auto Cafe Cup Warmer. Number 12 is perfect for coffee lovers. The Auto Cafe Cup Warmer. It keeps your coffee or tea hot and ready to sip, automatically turning on when a cup is inserted and off when it's removed. Safe to use with a variety of cup materials, it's a great addition for those chilly morning commutes. Don't let your coffee go cold again with this handy gadget. Number 11. Car Power Inverter. And rounding out the first part of our list at number 11 is the Car Power Inverter. This versatile gadget converts your car's DC power to AC, providing 2 standard outlets and 4 USB ports to charge your devices on the go. It's compact, lightweight, and perfect for road trips or daily commutes. With a 4.4 star rating and priced at $25.95, it's an excellent investment for anyone who needs power on the go. Number 10. Comfilife Seat Cushion. At number 10, we have the Comfilife Seat Cushion. This isn't just any cushion, it's designed with premium gel memory foam and a cooling gel layer on top to provide superior comfort. Whether you're driving for hours or just heading to the office, this cushion supports your tailbone and relieves pressure on your spine, helping with issues like sciatica and herniated discs. It's got a non-slip rubber bottom, a built-in handle for easy transport, and a machine-washable cover, making it a practical and comfortable addition to any car. Currently rated 4.4 stars on Amazon and available for just $44.99, it's a great investment for long-term comfort. Number 9. Eviage Pressure Washer. Coming in at number 9, the Eviage Pressure Washer is your go-to gadget for keeping your car's undercarriage spotless. This undercarriage cleaner and water broom combo is designed to make cleaning easier and faster, helping you reach those hard-to-access spots with ease. Built to last, this durable attachment is perfect for anyone serious about car maintenance. It's rated 4.3 stars on Amazon and currently priced at $46.99. Keep your car looking its best from top to bottom. Number 8. Smart Car Air Freshener. At number 8, we have the Smart Car Air Freshener. This is not your typical air freshener. It turns on automatically when you start your car and shuts off when you're done, so you never have to worry about remembering to turn it on or off. It's quieter than most and uses advanced technology to create a fine mist, keeping your car smelling fresh. You can even adjust the scent strength with 3 different settings. With a rating of 4.4 stars on Amazon and priced at $89.99, it's a small gadget that makes a big difference. Number 7. WebBoost Phone Signal Booster. If you often find yourself in areas with weak cell signals, then number 7 on our list is for you. The WebBoost Phone Signal Booster enhances your signal strength by reaching the farthest cell towers, making it perfect for road trips in remote areas. It's compatible with all carriers and supports the latest 5 grams technology, ensuring you get the best speeds possible. Featuring a magnetic roof antenna, this device is a must-have for staying connected on the go. It's rated 3.9 stars on Amazon and is currently priced at $499.99. Number 6. SFM Electric Air Duster. Next up at number 6 is the SFM Electric Air Duster. Say goodbye to dirt and debris in those hard-to-reach spots with this powerful, adjustable air duster. It's cordless, lightweight, and built from high-quality, temperature-resistant materials. Whether you need to clean your car seats, computer keyboard, or even inflate an air mattress, this versatile gadget has you covered. It's rated 4.3 stars on Amazon and is available for $88.99. Number 5. Terra Pump. At number 5, we have the Terra Pump, a fuel transfer pump with an auto-stop feature to prevent overfilling. This pump makes transferring fuel 3 times faster, reaching up to 2.9 gallons per minute. With a flexible intake hose and a no-spill auto-stop nozzle, this device is perfect for anyone who frequently needs to transfer fuel. It's rated 4.4 stars on Amazon and is currently priced at $74.89. Number 4. Slime Flat Tire Repair Kit. Don't let a flat tire ruin your day. At number 4, the Slime Flat Tire Repair Kit makes tire repair quick and easy. With just the push of a button, you can repair and fully inflate your tire in 10 minutes without needing to remove the tire or use any tools. This kit plugs into your car's 12-volt charging socket and features a dial display for monitoring tire pressure. With environmentally friendly sealant that's non-toxic, non-corrosive, and non-hazardous, it's safe for you and the planet. It's rated 4.5 stars on Amazon and priced at $54.99. Number 3. Retractable Car Charger. Coming in at number 3, we have the retractable car charger. This 60W fast charger comes with a retractable cable and 2 USB ports, making it perfect for keeping your car organized and tangle-free. It's compatible with a wide range of devices and has advanced features to protect your devices from overcharging, overcurrent, and other potential issues. Rated 4.5 stars on Amazon and priced at just $20.79, this charger is a steal for anyone looking to keep their gadgets powered up on the go. Number 2. Escort Max. At number 2, we have the Escort Max, a cutting-edge radar detector that helps you stay aware of all potential speed traps. With its ability to detect threats from all directions and arrows indicating the direction of the threat, this device ensures you have plenty of time to react. The intelligent GPS software learns your routes, making it even more effective over time. It's rated 4.3 stars on Amazon and is available for $599.95. Number 1. Rove R2 4K Dash Cam. And finally, our number 1 car gadget for 2024 is the Rove R2 4K Dash Cam. This top-of-the-line dash cam comes with UHD 2160p resolution, a 2.4-inch IPS screen, and a 1.50 wide-angle lens. It has everything you need to capture clear footage day or night, with features like parking mode, motion detection, G-sensor, and more. Plus, you can instantly view, manage, and download recordings on your phone. It's backed by a full 1-year warranty and is currently available for a limited time deal of $74.99. That's a wrap on our top 25 car gadgets. From practical essentials to innovative gadgets, we hope you found something to enhance your driving experience. Be sure to check out the links in the description for all the gadgets we mentioned today. Let us know in the comments which gadget caught your attention, and also mention if we missed any potential gadget to include in our list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and drive safe!